Today topic is coordination. Coordination is very important function of management. It's is not only a function but it is a essential of management. If you're talking about a definition, we can say synchronization between the all department, all function, all part of organization is called coordination. In general word, coordination means bringing together the activities and resources, that is called coordination. We are going for the next topic, coordination, the essential of management. Due to some reason or some objectives, we can say coordination is essential for the management. First reason, coordination is needed to perform all the function of management. Coordination is needed to perform from all the function of management. Management perform mainly five function: planning, directing, organizing, staffing, controlling. In planning, we needed the coordination because without the coordination of top level, we cannot think we will make any type of plan. In organizing, we needed the coordination because in organizing we are just make the different type of department. We are going to make some specialized department, so we needed the coordination. Next, in staffing, in the time of staffing and selection of the person, we needed coordination because without the coordination we cannot do the process of selection. After the staffing, in directing, again we needed the coordination because in directing we are giving the direction of group, and without the coordination between that group we cannot direct or motivate that persons. After that, controlling, in controlling we are again needed coordination because by the coordination we are easily controlled all the department, all the head, all the person. Next, coordination is required at all the level. Again, coordination is required at all level because at top level, on the time of taking the decision, making the rule and plan, we are needed the coordination between the all person. In middle level, on the time of making function, plan, or going for working of any plan, different department, head of department, we needed coordination between all head of department. Next, middle level, in middle level we are needed the coordination between the all worker, all person. Next, coordination is the most important function of an organization. In organization we are making some department, and without the coordination between these all department we cannot think we will achieve our target. Okay, go for the next. And next topic is nature and or function of coordination. First, coordination integrate group effort. Coordination always integrate the group effort. It's not going with the individual. It's always thinking, working on a group effort because by the coordination we are trying to make between the group. Next, every individual. Next, continuous process. Coordination is the continuous process because in the organization work is going on, all the function is going on, all the department is going on, so we needed continuously coordination process. Next, coordination is a pervasive function. Coordination is the pervasive function because it's work in all type of department, all type of function, all type of work. It's not only working in any specialized things. It's work every type of function where group will work. Next, coordination is the responsibility of all manager. Coordination is the not only responsibility of any one level of management. It's a responsibility of all level of management at a top level, middle level and lower level. Next, coordination is a delegate function. Coordination is the delegate function. Every manager try to coordinate the activities of organization. By that they try to delegate the every function. Now we are going for the next important of coordination or need of coordination. If you're talking about the importance, so these importance we are showing by these headings. First, size of organization. If we are talking about the size, the bigger size of organization needed more and more effective coordination because big business, big organization, more department, more person, more effort, more activities, then we are needed good coordination between these all. Next, function differentiate. When the same organization different type of function will done, then we needed more coordination because different type of work is going on in the business, but the organization target is same, so we needed coordination between these different department. Next, specialization. In all organization, different type of person, different type of specialized person, they have to get some specialization in the different type of work they are working. So if the manager want to get his target by the utilizing of these all specialized person, so the needed coordination between these all persons. Okay, thank you.